Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a chapter titled The Black Aeroplane. This is the chapter which I have to teach you today. The chapter Black Aeroplane or the story Black Aeroplane has been written by Frederick Forsyth. And through this very story, author has tried his best to tell us that over ambitious nature is not good, but it is very dangerous for us. It is very frightful for us, and it will bring disaster. It will bring harm for us. As a result, we should not be over ambitious. In this story, we can say that there is a struggle between courage versus danger. Means if we want to show our courage and maybe that our courage will lead us towards the danger. As a result, before making our courage, making our effort, we should think about our goal, that either it is good for or bad, it is suitable for us or not, it will save our life or not. If we will realize that really our courage will take us towards the danger, in this situation we should not be ready to perform the work, to start the work. Here, according to this according to this story, there is a character of pilot. There is a character of pilot, and this pilot is very courageous. This pilot reaches Paris, and after reaching Paris, he realized that once again he should not stay at Paris, but he should return at the same time from Paris to London, because the family of the pilot lives in London. Due to this, pilot wants to have the food material at his own residence, at his own house in London with his family members. So he decided that he will not stay at Paris, but it was late at night, and at the same time he got permission from the control room, and when control room permitted the pilot started his flight, and when pilot hardly covered 140 kilometers distance, then suddenly the pilot saw that the sky was covered with the dark cloud, and after some time that very dark cloud changed in the form of a storm, and the storm was very fast. So in that very storm, pilot became very fearful, and pilot was not able to realize that now which type of decision he should take and what decision he should not take, because there was not any other option left for the pilot. And that systems which was available in the aeroplane that stopped to work, means radio, like some systems or wire connections etc., that stopped, and every we can say that communicative systems that completely stopped, and his aeroplane started to move due to the heavy storm round and round. Then pilot realized that this is the last time of his life. But once again, after some time, pilot saw that a black aeroplane was flying some distance away from his own aeroplane, and pilot realized that very black aeroplane came here for the purpose of helping him. So there was a type of symbol flying his hand, and pilot realized that the black commander or the pilot of black aeroplane, he is commanding that this pilot should follow the black aeroplane, and in this way this pilot who was facing problem started to follow the black aeroplane, and everything was going according to the expectations, but suddenly the pilot realized that now the fuel is available in the tank of his airplane or not. Maybe that if fuel will be over, then after that he will not reach to the airport. But after some time he realized that aeroplane started to down towards the ground, and he also saw the runway. In this way, this pilot who was facing the problem became very happy, and his flight landed to the ground on the runway. In this way, after landing on the runway, he came out from his plane, and then after that he wanted to thank to the pilot of black aeroplane, the mysterious aeroplane, but he did not saw anybody present there, and also he did not saw the black aeroplane also there. Then he was surprised, and he went to the control room. There a lady was there. He asked about the black aeroplane and also about the pilot of black aeroplane, but the lady said that in this storm nobody was flying the aeroplane, only your aeroplane was on the radars. So it may be that you have got some type of fascination, you are thinking about that ghost like stories, but the pilot was here surprised. So here we can say that sometimes when we face any problem, supernatural thing, they also comes to help us. So here this problem facing pilot, he got the help from a supernatural pilot who was flying the black aeroplane. So we can say that if our death is sure, nobody will save us, and if our death is not sure, then it is sure that at anyhow we must be in situation to save our life. But here the message of this very story is that we should not be over ambitious. It will make us towards the danger, and it will also destroy our life forever. And also we must have courage, but excess of everything is bad. So we should not apply excess courage. And if we will apply our excess courage, then it is sure that we will lead towards the danger. So courage should be under the limitations, and if it is under limitation, there is no possibility of the danger, and we will be completely safe. So here, purpose of this story is this, that control on your over ambitious nature. So this is from my side for today. That's all. Thank you.